And you looking at is named Gabriel Oyibo. Most don't know about him, but he actually is responsible for completing Einstein's formula. This is actually the formula I'm referring to, E equals mc squared. E actually stands for energy, equals M stands for mass. The C actually is the representation of the speed of light, meaning that it's constant and squared. Gabriel Oyibo actually combined Einstein and Newton's formula. Newton's formula was force equals mass times acceleration. What Professor Gabriel Oyibo was actually able to complete was the formula that baffled Einstein. He was able to actually solve the formula that baffled Einstein. Professor Gabriel Oyibo was actually able to solve the formula that baffled Einstein. This formula is Gij, J equals 0. It's referred to as God Almighty's Grand Unified Theorem. This formula implies that the primordial essence of God is responsible for all things. Professor Gabriel Oyibo believed all things derive from hydrogen, all right? And basically the original name for hydrogen was Afrocrogen, all right? And he believed that everything derived from the landmass Alkebalon, which we know as Africa, okay? And everything derived from the primordial waters of noon, meaning that it originated from triple darkness, triple black. You can actually view this as the personification of dark matter energy or neuromelanin. Most are unaware that Kemet actually meant the black land, all right? So when we refer to ancient Egypt or Kemet, it's actually referring to the land of the black. Even the word chemistry and the study of chemistry actually is derived from ancient Kemet, all right? So the word chemistry actually comes from the land of Kem. Chemistry is actually the science and study of matter, all right? All the periodic table of the elements, basically, all 118 elements is associated with chemistry. Just what Gabriel Oyibo taught, all right? That all things actually derive from ancient Kim and that primordial waters of noon, that triple black. In essence, he's basically implying that everything's all connected. Quantum physics string theory also supports Gabriel Oyibo's theorem. What Gabriel Oyibo actually stated is that everything consists of hydrogen. Nothing in existence doesn't ascertain hydrogen. This would imply that hydrogen is really the only element that we actually should really consider. Again, Gaga is a formula that actually embodied everything in the universe. The difference between a theory and a theorem is that a theorem actually has no flaws. A theorem is actually proven. This theorem actually implies that all elements are controlled by God or an essence of God. He also compared the Big Bang to religious texts where they mentioned God actually speaking and stated that it was a wave connotation that actually brought everything into existence. So when they mention the Big Bang, that's a wave connotation. And when they mention some form of primordial force actually speaking things into existence, that's also a wave connotation. So in summary, Gaga shows here that all sciences are based on chemistry, all right, which is the study of elements. There is only one element, hydrogen, which they refer to as Afrocrogen. So the study of anything will start with some form of hydrogen, all right? This one element view is the same as the ancient African view of the warring primordial water waves of noon. Again, everybody talk about Einstein, but nobody give this man his flowers. Most people don't even know about Gaga or God Almighty's Grand Unified Theorem.